I think every homeowner knows that they need to pay their real estate taxes. But I thought I'd make a video discussing what happens when you stop paying your real estate taxes. So for most of us, we have a mortgage on our home and we make a payment every month to the mortgage company, and a portion of that payment that we make monthly is put into an escrow account, and the bank, using the money in that escrow account, will pay your taxes. And in most towns, taxes are paid quarterly. Some towns have biannual tax payments. So in most cases, your bank will just make these payments for you. If you stop paying your mortgage, the bank continues to make the tax payments, usually does, and then they put the amount that they're paying in taxes, they add it to the principal of the loan. Now, if you don't have a mortgage, you need to pay your taxes directly to the town every quarter or biannually, or however they issue their bills. The town issues bills. So if you stop paying, what will happen is eventually the town will take your home through a tax lien foreclosure. Now, there seems to be no rhyme or reason as to how soon the town will take the property or lien the property, or complete the foreclosure, right? Or exactly what amount of money you need to owe before they step forward and do this. So I'm a land court examiner, and part of my job as the land court examiner is to do the title exams for the towns in preparation for their tax takings. So you could see the town sometimes will put a lien on a house and then not foreclose on that lien or take the property for years afterwards. Sometimes they'll do it immediately. Sometimes only a few $100s are owed in taxes, and sometimes thousands of dollars are owed. So it's impossible to say at what point the city or the town is going to actually step forward and put a lien on your house. So what will happen is they'll record something called an instrument of taking, which acts as a lien, an encumbrance. You can't sell the house without paying what's owed on the taxes. And somewhere along the line, they'll issue a notice to you, letting you know that they're going to proceed in land court and actually wipe out your interest in the property, get a judgment from the court, and then once they do that, they would then have the authority to sell the property, which they would usually do at an auction, right? So I think everybody knows if you buy a house, you have to pay property taxes. If you don't, like I said, at some point, can't quite say when, the city will record an instrument of taking to put a lien on your property and to start the process of going through land court to actually remove your ownership from the title, and then get prepared to sell it at foreclosure. All right? If you have any questions about real estate taxes, about real estate law, about the process, please send me an email. I'd be happy to work with you and to help you.